The town, I go and roll around, you know, the thing was in the town, but I never know the town was so small.
Guys, look at me. When Kino is around, I'm even walking with food.
That's a tune at me here, you know. So what you say, you know.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Big tune.
Big tune.
Yeah.
Oh, do me a huncho. Anyway, me see you, girl, me happy up front. Huncho. Me coulda never in a me mind fi back bench.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Big up yourself, no Tom and Jerry t-shirts.
You never watched Kino? Kino Life in Jamaica? He's always on my videos.
Yeah, man. Yeah, sorry, man.
Yeah, man, sorry, man, but you know what? You don't subscribe to mine?
Please
I will.
subscribe.
No, to be truthful, I haven't done it yet. But
Please go.
Oh, so she are one of the 70%
You
ones
know,
them
my
that
husband
watch.
always watch the that's what I'm saying.
Okay, tell your husband
Tell
I
it-
said hello
Yeah.
and thank you so much.
So your husband is part of the 70% that watch Kino and he haven't subscribed.
But send
Come
my
watch our
regards to
man,
him, okay?
Yeah.
Colors.
Color Smith, big
Oh,
up to
yeah.
you, Colors. He's the best.
Colors
Introduce me to the whole team. He's so good.
Colors as a sister that lives in Panama.
Yeah.
Okay.
My in-laws.
Oh, your in-laws. Oh, nice. You have some good family members. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's such a good person.
Oh,
No, his sister is
we're
married
gonna
to
cash
my-
out all this.
He's
Oh, sorry, not to cash. D, what you want? You have soy?
Alright.
Yeah, man, take
Alright, yeah? We get
We have porridge.
the porridge. 2 lay rice. Let me have 2 side. Yeah, 2 separate bag, please.
Cocoa bread.
One cocoa bread. You have cocoa bread? Alright, 2 side, 2 cocoa bread, please. Let me have water for me.
Pineapple.
And she want a pineapple backstream. Water for me.
Party time, guys.
Yeah. Can you make them put the pot in the cocoa bread for me, please? Oh, box man say can't go in. Oh Lord. So how it gonna work?
But they normally put it.
She said the bag them is small, that's why.
The bag?
Yeah.
No, you can cut it into 2.
Yeah, let's
Can
put it in
open
the
it.
same way, please. Yeah man, make it here.
Yeah.
Make it here. Make it here. Yeah man, tell them to make it here. That peer
As
right
long
that's
as we
give
have
it.
it. Because we have to catch the bread again.
Yeah, cut the yes, and go put the hand in it again and everything. Oh. So yeah, guys. So there you're in Lucea town. You know, planting our feet in another parish. Rolling in the street in Lucea town.
Yes.
You know, there you're. But Lucea town is a big.
Outside.
It's the place them small. You know.
Art of love, you know.
Alright, manners.
One change down.
Cool now and every time.
African. Art of
Manners.
love.
Thank you.
Every time. Yes, yes. You see, everywhere. One trench town there here in Lucea town.
You see?
One town to another town.
Art of love.
You know the thing, big up yourself, yeah? Alright. So one town to another town. Trench town, Lucea town D. See you loot, see you loot. See you loot.
Go under the good word, my brother.
Yeah man, big up man. Every time.
You know, you haven't bought pillowcases for your house for Christmas.
Yeah man. Yeah, I bought them already. I bought them already.
You bought them already?
Yeah.
Which color? Orange and green.
No, pink and purple.
Pink and purple?
Yeah.
Wow, guys, in Jamaica they celebrate Christmas by buying new bed sheets and pillow covers. So Kino bought pink, purple, and green.
and burgundy.
And burgundy.
Hey. The cow got this side, cause guys, we're just walking, you know, we're freelancing in Lucea town. So what Lucea town is like. Don't you look so small? All is well. Dance them, yeah.
Street vibe.
Dance, give you a dance, give you a dance, man. Give you a dance, wicked, see there, give you a dance. Hey. 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 Hello. D.
On the internet, on YouTube. Yes, that is me. Yeah,
and I saw, and when I just saw, you know, it must look alike.
Thank you for watching. You're the best. Nice to meet you. Thank you,
Alright, big up, yeah? So,
Bye.
this is like the market.
You already got your pillowcases?
Yeah, that's not pillowcase.
What?
That's where you put your figurines on, your perfume and everything.
Fish.
How can I fish that? Eh? No, we just go and look on. We are YouTubers, so we just go and highlight the thing. You know? How can I fish this?
Bonita.
Eh?
Bonita.
Bonita. We have
Salmon.
salmon, yeah.
Catch them bonita.
You know, no. Salmon fish. You give me them bonita. Look like sliced fish, so.
Yeah, it's nice.
A sliced fish them. Okay.
Out of this.
You can be a journalist. You can be a journalist.
Hello, how you doing? Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Alright, thank you so much for
You can be a
watching.
journalist. You
Eh?
can be a journalist. That's you.
Yeah.
So you know what?
Never know we coming here.
I had to
Oh.
come. You wanna say hello on my camera? Okay.
Yeah. For Jamaica, the Africa with Africa, no, see me. Exactly. Me go come over there. Vale. Manners, yeah? Yeah. Yes.
Pretty police woman.
I don't it.
Pretty.
Yes. Very. Officer. Jeez.
Yes. Hi. How you doing? What's up? I'm not
Eh, where are you running from?
I think it has written up, so why not?
Subscribe. No, I don't want to go on it. I subscribe everything on your phone.
thank
And
you.
the last one I watched this morning is the one where they had a guest out about goat trial.
Oh, okay. You just watched this morning and just today I'm here.
I love you, man. I love you so much.
Thank you so much for the love. You see, it's making me speaking.
Yeah.
You see, now I look like Jamaican girl.
Yes, I know.
It's only that I didn't put on my clocks, but
Yeah.
trust, I love
Yeah.
Jamaica.
Yeah,
You're
man.
selling beautiful stuff here.
How sure, Soji, you come and
Yeah,
look
let
at
me
it.
see.
Soji.
Come on, come on. The African.
Yeah.
Soji.
Yes,
Blogger.
ma'am.
The blogger.
Greetings.
Greetings, greetings. Yeah.
All right, nice to meet you.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, thank
Okay,
you.
yeah, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. All the best.
Okay, thank you. So we're just walking, checking out Lucy.
No problem. Yeah, man.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, thank you.
Checking out the place. Bless it, man. How can I soup you having this? Seafood? No. Oh. Yeah. So we're here in Lucea town. So imagine here, Lucea town. You know, a lot of people know us down here, see me as well. You know, as we walk. So we keep strolling around. Oh, so you have Lucea police station over there. You know. Eh? I'm supposed to have some shillings. Oh.
Didn't go in to carry anything.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Big up, yeah? Alright, man, that's general. How much part of goal you go? Seaside, oh. So, hey, the town is very,
Yeah, it's Lucy police station.
the town is very small still.
Oh, I love the chairs. Wow.
The town is very, very small. Hey, we can go back that way. Town is small.
That's it.
Yeah. Town is very
Next
small.
hill, going that way. It looks beautiful though.
Let's walk this way and see where this way lead. Come. The town is small. So I guess, okay, so the cars them come from that way, come around here, come
We
back.
are so close to Midway. Yes, big up.
Everything good?
Yeah man, all is well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so you get Lucea with there, in your town, you know?
Yeah.
So the town is small?
Yeah, it's small, man. A small town.
The place small as even the places, the building them very small.
Yeah, so
as
you
well.
walk around it already, right?
Yeah, but just walk literally still, you know? And I couldn't believe it's finished already.
Yeah, it's small, you know.
Yeah man, so we here in your town.
Yeah, everything good, right?
Every time, big up, big up.
Thank you so much. God bless.
Yeah.
Oh always have time for us.
Mama, where was to do?
Ah, you watch me too?
Where's it?
Yeah, man, I saw a thing, but I video it, come on.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, I saw a video, come on.
I'm a general. You're an artist though? Art love.
Right, yeah, right.
Hey, it feels so good to meet our subscribers every corner.
Yeah.
Even in Lucea, represented all over Jamaica.
All over Jamaica.
Represented.
I wonder if we go underground,
We'll still find our
we still
fans.
find people watching us underground.
It's interesting, trust me. We feel so good. Like it lightens up our world. So whenever
Yeah.
you see us, just shout Kino
Yeah,
or
D.
D.
You know,
We
feel
definitely have time for you.
exactly. As what I said before, it means a lot because that means we're doing something good. You're interested, you're watching it. And for you to take your time to sit down and watch, trust me, it's a blessing. I will thank you so much for watching. You know, so they're here in Lucea town, you know.
Not Lucea, deep inside.
Inside the town. I go and roll around, you know, the thing was in the town. But I never know the town was so small.
Guys, look at me. When Kino is around, I'm even walking with food. Because I have a box of juice.
Yeah.
Eating patty in the hand.
Always eating.
Always. So when you see me looking this thick, Kino. When I'm alone, they never see me carrying such
Never.
in my hand. But when Kino is around, yo.
Food have to eat.
You
Food
have
have
to
to eat. Come.
Even when we go to shop for groceries, it's a full basket.
Listen, food have to eat, yeah? Eat while you can.
Tell me, he watched Jamaican walk by video, and what did you say?
I couldn't believe that was D.
Just yesterday.
Imagine that. When I see D walking and Jamaica walk by, I was like, was D that slim?
Imagine, I was so small. I was so small.
Small.
Now, big mama.
Big mama.
Big mama.
No, she's a big mama.
Yeah.
Rolling through in Lucea town. It's a gully.
Wow.
But the town is very small though, I'm not lie. Very, very, very small. See the artist here, the artist.
Yo, so we go to the Manila Flights right there, you know.
Where?
Come in there.
Come show me then, come show me then.
Come on, right there, so me forward. Slam for the microphone right there.
Well. See that video like
Where 7 a.m. Good.
Yeah,
She tell me say be a that Robin Hood. When me 7 a.m. My name is Mr. Hood. Any girl a chat. When me 7 a.m. Mr. Hood. When me 7 a.m. Mr. Hood. Any girl a chat to me good. She disrespect me, beat her with food. Lick her in her belly with piece of soup. Me lick her back with piece of heart. She tell me say that she a whole Robin Hood. She woke up in the man with all of the food. Me have the rock sweet hood, me have the la good. And it, hey! Hold it! But me feel crowded. Right now me feel rowdy.
loaded. Yeah.
big tune.
You're an African tune from Africa. You're African tune.
That's a tune at me here, you know. So what you say, you know.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Big tune.
Big tune.
Yeah.
Oh, do me a huncho. Anyway, me see you, girl, me happy up front you. Huncho. Me coulda never in a me mind fi back bench you. Huncho. Anytime me find you, me happy up front you. Introduce you to me mother and me father. You give me son, girl, and you give me daughter. You're not satisfied, you come back for brother. Water your garden with holy water. This a water where you never get thirsty. And every time when you miss me, you want me. I'm me a boy with so me a hunt you. Pull up again, my selector.
I need the man a hunt you.
Pull Police lock you up for walk with two in the front, no seatbelt or no license plate.
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Oh man, me a search you.
Hey.
Clean search. Yo. Me want clean search. Anything you hide with the rasta, I look for. Me want clean search. Yeah, yeah, man.
Yeah, hear you.
To the road where me a walking on my trousers. Me want search you. I know me a poses. Me want take off your pants or your trousers. Take off. Hey, hey. Murder. Yo, Bridget. Let me tell you something.
African beat for
Right now, no disrespect to the thing.
Yeah.
Why you see between me and you? Come here and show you something.
Yeah.
You see, eh?
All little thing we are promote, so
Sit
you
down
need some support, you know?
could blaze up with it.
Alright.
You don't want to see the color of your eyes.
No problem.
Me
Wanna
are the
drink?
original bad breed Fred Williams
Wanna
and
drink?
represent them
Roma
over.
Puma do it.
Alright, so put on a
What is your
broad.
name, Angel?
What you have for it?
D.
Oh, Miss
Yeah.
D.
That is it.
Kino.
Original Kino, me bad, you bad no Bambino, you bigger than Bambino, you bad man.
Bad man.
Yo, you bigger yard than bigger brother, me are the original bad breed, we tell you that.
Yeah.
Listen, money over manners, me no have no manners, cause me can't go in on me searching, but tell him say, good morning Mr. Chin, I have manners and I need this. Walk out with that one.
Yeah.
Walk out, make the big dog bark
Walk
out.
out.
Let me just start the thing and make it straight out.
Yeah, I make it spark out. I
What
make
is wrong with you?
it spark out.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, no, 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 no.
What you make you out?
Alright then.
Let me show you how it go now.
Yeah.
See there. I make no boy take no control you. You hear me? See the room there?
Yeah.
I make no boy take control you. Right. When me pop off me rod of poses, when me carry on me trousers, girl I give me kiss and sweet and give me roses. Tell me on the hood, when me walk with me ready on me trousers. You know walk with me in a hand, come me don't know, say me on no one. Oh,
Hold it.
bad man me no boxes. Any girl on road the night me will all kiss. Cause some girl out the road them a kiss dick. What a whole of them. Pull up the selector. I wanna like a fuel injector.
Yeah. Just remember. We're in Lucea town. Wally, what's your name? Trouble there. Woo!
Someone calling me like this is a problem.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, Kino, come on.
Watch your truck. Can't believe the town is finished already.
I had this dress.
Which one? Oh, that. Yeah. That's the one go there.
No, I'm a real Jamaican kid.
Yeah.
You see? You know, you see now I'm real Jamaican.
Dressing like one. Right guy, we just finished walking through Lucea town.
It's that.
Very small.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very small town. It's like
But
an
filled with
underground.
lots of good people and
Good
good,
vibes.
vibes. Street vibes
Yeah.
as also, guys.
Yeah, it's a good vibes here in
We
Lucea.
love it.
Nah, like with the artists them.
Lucea Town. The sea is just right here. But today it's so aggressive. Super aggressive. In Jamaica, Lucea. The traffic is also crazy.
Well. So we're back off here. Stop to get the car wash over there.
And the sea is very aggressive
And you can
today.
see it's rough. Where your name? Fireman. But them car right here, so. Eh? Wait name?
My bar for the general is quaint.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, come on YouTube man, so that's why I get a slip. Fine. Alright, so right here near Point. So we at Point. Lucea Point.
Lucea Point.
No, them call you a Point.
Okay.
Area called Point. Like a point of finger upon the
When you point one, remember how many are pointing back at
Yes.
you. Do it and see.
Well, you're right here, so it's very rough.
And it's very cold, guys. I'm shivering. I'm
Cold.
like, "Ooh-wee."
Finally, this is cold
I'm
again.
like, where is
As you can see, the sea is very rough. Rough. You know, windy. We're right near to the hills, right upon the side of Lucea.
like running?
We feel like running.
Skipping.
Praise the Lord.
I feel like running
Run now.
and skipping.
Keep now.
Praise the Lord.
Oh, the dog singing.
The dog is also
The
singing.
dog is singing.
I
The dog,
feel like running.
the dog is singing, but the water is black.
Yeah, I saw that thing.
Yeah. But I guess up here says not white sand or anything. That's why it's so black.
Yeah, black sand.
Black sand. Black sand. So go walk out yesterday. So here we have the car wash. Take up my phone. So we have the car wash there. This is where I get in my car wash, right over there. We're right on the main road. You know, as you can see. We're on the main road. Yes guys, so we're at this place named Point. You know, getting my car washed right off the main here in Lucea. You know, the car was really dirty bad. The car was dirty bad, so they have
Came
to stop
to wash it.
to get it washed.
But this area that we're standing is not so good to stand because the taxi drivers, you don't know the thing.
Don't know the thing go. But them can see us still because we're not far up off the blind spot. But look how rough, look at them big waves. That is some big wave, look. That wave is so big.
Yeah.
It's very big, man, I'm telling you. From the other day, I don't know what's been going on, but the sea has been rough. I don't know what's been going on from the other day, but trust me, the sea been rough, so rough. You know what's been normally when them say it's so rough is because of storm or rain is on the sea, something like that. You know? Something like that.
You saw that?
The car overtake, right? These guys in Jamaica, when them overtaking on a blind spot.
Surprise.
Yeah. On the blind spot, the way them drive here. Lucea! We here in Lucea. There man, Lucea.
Get out of that
Woo.
place.
Close.
You know.
They're here in Lucea land.
Do you follow Jesus this closely? This is so wise when the person is so close to him.
Okay, so
Like, do
close.
you follow Jesus this closely?
Yeah, so you don't want to drive too close.
Life is too short to drive boring cars.
Yeah, get it.
Wow, that's so thoughtful. I'll write that on my car. Do you follow Jesus this closely? You following me?
So I will say yes, so I can follow you that close. I will drive very close. The man right at his. Yeah, so it's nice here, no? Very nice and everything. Very, very nice. There's a walkway. You know me like to walk already. Let's walk. Come. There's a walkway here. Grab it. Eh? Where good for? Alright then, yeah.
What?
Yeah man, let's ask if we want diesel oil under the fender. Same say keeps away the dust.
Spray on the wheel on you see? Alright, you see all the rim now?
Yeah. So this is the man washing my car. Let me say guys, I need to check this car wash here is right on the main road heading to Lucea town. You know them right here's the name of Pint. Eh?
Johnson Town.
Johnson Town.
Yeah.
So we're here in Johnson Town. And this area right here called Pint. Yeah, so
I can drive, I think it's that way. I can drive this way.
You want to ride in the bush?
near the bush.
There's no road.
It's a little road. You want to ride in the bush, D?
Yeah, I'm a good rider.
No, the man, he don't want the bicycle to be punctured in the bush. So don't you say where it leader to?
Old road.
No, it's an old road.
It was the main road.
Oh, it was the main road right here?
Alright. Yeah.
Before they build that one?
Yeah. You drop right under the bridge. Right after you come over the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Okay.
If it's clean up, it still can drive.
Okay, so this shop used to be, this bar used to be right here, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So guys, imagine this used to be the main road before them build that new one out there.
Wow.
So this was the main road, D. Check it out. Check out the main road. But the main road looks small. Imagine that.
Yeah, the best place.
It was on the banking as well too. It was on the banking. It was on the banking though as well too. So you're driving on the banking here up the main road. So the main road bush up and everything.
Yeah.
Alligator. Crocodile.
Crocodile. Stop it now, man. I'm not going any farther.
Not
You
going.
can say that, then I follow you. Bye bye.
I say, I cannot say that you follow. Guys, the turn back. This was the old road, you know. As you can see, the old road abandoned and it's blocked off, nothing but pure bushes. The old road small still from there to there. So I guess they used to drive on the side part of the banking where they can see what's going on. Wow. So old bring new. So this was the old one and now out there is the new one. So you see old bring new. Wow, wow, well. Guys, the dancing.
No.
No. Rough. Very rough. Windy, no straw. Woo. Well. Good morning.
Our neighbors.
Good morning. Shut the hell up. The neighbors will be saying, yo, shut the hell up. You know?
So guys, this morning, woke up, we thank God for life. It's windy, and as you all see, we headed to the pool.
Yes guys, it's so windy this morning, you know, but we're still going to the pool. So, you know, while we're here we have to explore. You know, as I said, we have to give thanks, you know, and thank our what's going on on here? You cause traffic? B? What's happening here? You cause traffic?
With the what?
Accident?
Stop it.
Accident? Where's the driver? Oh, the driver. You see the cause traffic. You know, the driver was confused. Yes, man. So heading to the pool this morning, and as I say, we have a tank.
Jamaica road, we get scared a while ago.
Eh?
Jamaica road, we get scared a while ago.
No, cause I'm not telling us that she cause traffic.
No. No, we couldn't do that.
Alright, yeah. Yes, man. So. Yes, guys. As we said, this is our subscriber. You know, we thank her so much. This is our Airbnb that we stayed. You know, for the vacation. We thank you so much for the vacation. You know. There was no name calling, but trust me, the link will be in the description for the Airbnb, guys. You can see it's a wonderful gated community. You know, you need to go here and check it out. You know, book it out. Don't check it out, just book it out, guys. Just book it out, guys. It's a wonderful offer. You know, for giving us this staying at our Airbnb. It's so wonderful. So you know, while we're here, time is ticking, so we have to explore everything. So, you know, we're heading towards the pool. You know. We're heading to the pool.
There's nothing good like knowing how to swim. I'm a good swimmer than Kino.
Hey!
So let's see, we're going to have a competition.
The camera never lies. So the camera always see when Dee's swimming. I know she don't
I'm
move.
a better swimmer than Kino.
She never move from that position.
Okay, let's see, Kino. Why are you lying?
She never. Alright, let's see.
Why are you lying?
When she's swimming, she don't move. You're like, Dee? Swim for Kenya.
Now she starts moving.
Yeah, swim for Kenya. That's it. Oh, the man with the most start. General! The mystery is the mystery and the man Landmora. I'm a general. Big up, big up. Still on it. Oh, it's so windy. It is so windy. Yeah, it's such a good day. Wonderful. Yeah. Pool, not the beach. So we're heading to the pool, you know. So this is the pool section, as I highlighted before, guys. You know, so we cannot make the time run out without checking out the pool. So while we're here, we have to enjoy all the moments. All the moments. So it's moments like this. Yeah, this is where the pool is. So
We didn't even show everything.
I guess the pool them is full up. Pool them are full up. There's little people here.
When is today? Today feels like Sunday. Because Sunday, that's when the pools have so many people and everything.
Yeah. was a lovely swim. So you know we have to hit the road, Jack. Want to come back no more, no
The
more,
holiday
no
has
more.
been good. We really had a blast. Feeling good. It was taking a break. Yeah. So if you're looking forward to come to Lucy, please be sure to book this place. It has actually, you haven't even shown you the gym. It has the gym as well.
The gym was closed. It was closed. So it's called Ocean Point. You know, this housing scheme gated community is called Ocean Point. So guys, you need to come and check it out and book it. You see me? Don't look on it, just come and book it. So the link will be in the description. Just go and click on the link and just follow all the information from there. You know, you come and book it, trust me. It's close. Yeah, bad. Them say who can't hear with what? Who can't hear guys these limping? What's wrong with your legs?
Hey. I hit it so bad on the knee.
Tell us that these swim is over, come on, we need to go hit the road. And then she go swim like she's...
No, it's because they had some stairs, you know, there are two pools. One has stairs, so if you're not cautious, you won't know.
Yeah, so maybe she's practicing to swim for Kenya. You know? I know she's practicing so hard to swim for Kenya. So I guess whenever you're training, things happen, right? So
yeah, things happen.
So
practicing to swim for Kenya, for Jamaica now.
So she injure herself in training. So you know it goes already, but you will get over it.
Yeah.
Right?
So guys, let's know how you are enjoying the video so far, but honestly we're having the best, you know. So don't miss to subscribe and give the video a like. When you give the video a like, it helps us to push the video to get to more viewers. So press it if you haven't already. Okay?
So press. So guys, you know we're gonna get ready to hit the road now.
Yeah.
Take on the road. Blessed love. So stay tuned. We're going on the road. Bang. Ready now. Back forward. Ready now for the road. Road. One go.
Yeah. Outfit of the day, guys. Looking stylish and good on my clocks. You guys, you don't know the tingle. Let's go. You lock the door, please?
Ready. Stop, you know, the always want from the shop till she drop.
Guys, did you see my outfit of the day?
Hey.
Yo. Okay, welcome to the Rasta shop. I don't know why the
entrance is here. Hello. Blessed love.
Oh, the entrance is on the other side.
Here.
Here.
Here. Wow. Julia Biggie. This is a Rasta. I see the Rasta flag and the Jamaica flag. What you see? And a Rasta. Wow. It's windy. Oh, the Rasta Oh, don't take card?
They don't take card.
I don't know how to talk to other lady. What kind of card you have?
Visa.
Visa card. International.
Visa. What's that running? Generator?
Yes, this.
Alright. So if you head that way, you can get to a cash machine ATM.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Alright, so if we head that way, we can find an ATM.
You just found a cash machine coming from Lucea? Coming from the grill?
No, coming from the Airbnb.
Ocean Point?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's where it's coming from.
Oh. Okay, that is for $50, 25 for the top and 25 for the bottom. But if you need the full set, you get it for 45.
Okay, for the full set, $45.
Jamaican.
US.
Jamaican at
I'm
before
not
so
from US.
$6,000.
$6,000.
$750.
7,000.
They want to get some cash.
Yeah.
They want to go to loose? No.
Which way is?
That way is loose.
Which way is closer to get cash? That way or that way?
Oh, it would be that way. It would be that way.
Like how far back that way?
About I'm
Not sure.
no, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I think what if traffic is there?
Oh.
The traffic there, Oprah too.
Where's Opal? That way.
Oprah is that way, but it's about 15 minutes from here, or so 17 minutes. Long as maybe about 10, but it depends on the traffic.
Okay.
But
We'll
it
just
can-
take it that way because this way look more clear.
But there's
what time you close here?
There's an ATM at the gas station
Down there?
at Oprah.
Yeah.
As you pass the gas station, you turn on that plaza. You
Okay.
turn in on your right at that plaza.
Is there any river here in Hanover? Any good rivers?
Where you want to go? Go to the river and get a bed. You want to go bathe or want
No,
to
no, I'm saying like a river to swim. Is there any good river down here?
Jack
No?
and Tourman.
Is that tour guide?
Tour.
Tour man.
Tour operator.
Is any good river here in?
And you want one river for go swim?
Any good river you can recommend?
We can go west tour.
I thought we St. Elizabeth.
No, can go, yeah, we can go Mayfield Falls.
Oh,
But in the hills.
the hills.
Yeah. You want to go regular river.
Very good river, nice river.
But in regular river, you can go to You can go on regular. But we must have man, you know, used to be here.
Yeah. But good place.
But we must have don't know way. You understand?
So GPS could have take us there, right? The GPS could have take us there?
Yeah, GPS can take you out. We must have don't know where to tap off. We go here, they say, we're on the right. You don't know which part of the road on the right.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. You understand what you are saying?
Yeah.
On the other hand, you may want one river just to go truck off and be alright, I go by the police, you man, something.
Yeah.
And that's what you must say. But, rolling by river, but
Alright.
two, you know, a evening.
Alright, so we end that way. What are you close here?
5:30. Then we don't wake up tomorrow.
Are you tomorrow then? Alright, then what's your name? Kino. My name is Kino.
Megan.
Megan. Alright.
Alright, let me tell you. I now work tomorrow, honestly. I don't know the time I'll come. But you're going to be here.
Yeah.
Another year lady. So, Jack, you can come.
Alright. Yes. Alright, no problem.
She makes my daughter.
Alright.
My daughter is there, but she's sleeping. So, tomorrow.
Alright, no problem. Alright, then bless you. Yeah?
But next time when I go, you're not coming. No,
So I want to go get some cash now.
So, you didn't want. I said, there's mountain news in the arms. There's traffic, they will know.
So I'll come here in the night. So I said, I'm just going to drive about, you know, like I was going to be late. So let's drive about. So if anything, be back here tomorrow then. I was still going to pass back to go back to
Yeah, but if you go that way, maybe I'll go from
Alright then, yeah. Alright then. 3, 1, go. Come on, let's go.
Alright.
So we're gonna just head that way.
Beautiful here. Jamaica is beautiful, guys. For those who don't know, you need to pack your bags, come to Jamaica. You won't regret it. 3 months now, it feels like I just landed here yesterday. Everything is still exciting and fresh.
Fresh.
That's Jamaica.
Just so fresh. This is so lovely. So we're gonna head on.
You're gonna leave the car here?
Yeah, let's go right there to find out what's happening. Cause there's a horse.
Alright,
Look,
guys,
the
here
horse.
we are at the horses. Look at that. They're feeding. I need one horse. I need to live like an empress in Jamaica. So I need one. So they're eating grass, having a good time. This is so normal in Jamaica, and like where I come from, like even seeing horses is such a big thing. But in Jamaica, nearly everywhere you can find horses. In Montego Bay, in where we are in Hanover, like in so many places you'll see them. So when you're coming to Jamaica, it's a whole Lipa experience. Come to Jamaica. Hey Kino, how you doing? Kino, who is Kino, guys? Choose this or this. Hey Kino. And where is D? That one at the back there, hiding.
So these hiding at the back. So guys, so you know we're gonna check this out because watch your mud. My clocks in the mud.
Oh, okay. My expensive clocks.
My
30,000 clocks, guys. Look at that. I have my brush in the car. Anytime after 2 minutes, I stop and I'm like, yo.
Brush out the clocks.
Of course.
Just that, you know, that's like an adventure. That's what I really want to do. So I want to find out how it works.
Yeah.
So we'll get some information to see if we can check it out.
That is it.
So we can get some information and see how it works. See if we can come and do some of that. Look, dirt bike, 4-wheel. What's the name of that bike? I think I got a name.
Yeah, but it reminds me of which country was this?
Senegal?
I don't know if it was Senegal. There's a country that I heard.
Hello,
What's the package of the adventure, please?
yeah, what's the package? Oh, it's over that side.
Not here. Oh,
Okay,
You're
okay.
gonna go back down to the main entrance from that.
Oh.
Not that gate. Next gate there.
Next day.
but you could be having an idea.
No, I don't have that.
Oh. So it's like these bikes. What's the name of these 4
The
ATV? Okay. So where would you ride them? Over here or over there?
outside.
Outside.
Here you ride inside the forest.
Inside the forest?
We have a trail that side.
A trail, okay.
And there's a trail also on the left side. But you will get more information on that side because we're going to go to this side.
Okay. To be a muddy situation, right? Yes, it will be a muddy situation, so you can't wear your clocks.
Yeah.
So guys, so it will be a muddy situation, you know. So you can get some information, you know, can try that adventure. It would be nice.
It would be a nice thing to try.
Yeah, while we're here, you know. Just as me. Want to work over there?
Come carry out the way.
You see the what? The sheep?
No, the horse shit.
Oh,
The horse doodle. How much I know? 4 hours no? So you're saying to clean the horse doodle? Yeah. So that's the hustle? So when you get paid today?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
they pay you.
Get 5 bills that's stable.
5 bills for what?
One stable.
One stable.
What does it mean, one stable?
Like one unstable.
Oh, 1 hour stable. So if it's like, if you're cleaning 2, that's $1,000. The horse stable is where the horse stay
Oh,
in.
the okay.
So you know the horse them always poo and then good thing.
Oh,
Now we gotta check out what we're going with the adventure. So yeah, I'm making share this, right? Giving our $1,000 to share. So how am I gonna share this evening?
250.
250.
It's the best, right?
Yeah, so who's gonna change it? Who's the right person?
Give me that one.
But him, a pint for him. Where's the black one? Wall on the black. Like polo shirt. Alright, so give him. So you're gonna be the one to change it for them, right?
It's the best, right?
When you related?
Yeah, man.
No, man. Friend them, man.
Friends, bridging.
But you were like an original, and you have a talk, you know. You know. All right, so
You
enjoy
clean the whole
yourself.
day? No, just a few minutes and you're done.
All right.
Good job then.
Look at it. I'll make sure so they live good, same, you know. Yeah, amongst each other. Right?
For life.
Yes.
Are you told that I put that on?
Yeah. A YouTuber. So they can think about start a YouTube channel as well too. You know, when you can come together and start a YouTube channel. Video when you're cleaning.
And everything.
Yeah.
Video and put on YouTube.
You say, guy, this is what we do. We clean the place. We get paid $500. You
You
know.
have a phone?
No a phone. No.
No phone.
No phone.
None of you have a phone.
No.
Now you start saving. You make money. You save,
Yeah.
save, then buy one phone.
So they save together, right? And we can start a YouTube channel. Yeah. All right. Then big up on
All
yourself.
right. Yeah, that will be a nice thing, honestly.
Yeah, definitely will.
And they could get so much support and
Yeah.
it could be boom boom. Before they realize they'll be somewhere else.
So them say so we have to check it out over there to get some information. They say you're in for it.
Of course, let's
Alright,
go.
let's go. So if we're gonna cut now, we're gonna drive. You have to drive.
Oh, we have to drive.
Yeah, okay. No, this is good here. Actually, look. You're right at the ocean, right there. Look. Even this, you know, when the ocean can take over. So close. Look.
I think when it's flat,
Look here, look there. And then don't give up a proper blanket.
You guys,
Listen, bro.
Yeah.
All is well. I want to get some information about the package, how them work.
just drive out a little bit late, but you can check it out online at chukka.com.
Chukka.com.
Yeah.
so right now you closed.
Yeah, they is closed right now.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody actually leaving.
Alright, so what's the price for local?
Local.
Yeah.
You have, I don't know. I work at the gate. Don't know the price.
Okay.
Alright.
Let me go in, go turn. Go in, go turn. So guys, so I guess we're late.
We'll come early morning, check it
Yeah.
out tomorrow before we leave.
Yeah, so
Have a few activities.
yeah. So we come tomorrow and check it out, guys. So this is the place. I guess we're late, you know, because of timing. So it's called Chukka Ocean Outpost. So this is where you can do here. It's called the CV.
Yeah, and I appreciate the fact that Jamaicans keep horses like, you know, like, you know, maintaining horses is not that easy, but there's plenty of them in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Every corner.
So I guess we have to come back tomorrow then.
Yeah, and now I need to think of having a horse. In future, guys, when I got my everything, for sure, why not, Kino, right?
So we said, circle back tomorrow then.
Yeah, from 7 to 5.
Thank you.
7 till 5. Alright, then bless. Okay. Let's head back.
What do you think, Kino?
Like a shop till she drop.
I'm not scooping that so but it looks so good. Excellent. Looks really good with that suit.
Well, you make the right decision when you say, you can check out my store, you know.
Yeah, I always do that. When I just sit right there and I see fires, I always call.
And it's like when you're done that, all sparkle stars shine bright for her. She don't want to hear that.
But I like that with that.
You know, look at that.
Alright, viewers, what do you think? What do you think, viewers?
I should be modeling for fashion now, but I don't know what I'm waiting for.
I don't know.
Yeah. This is beautiful. I love it. Wow. What do you think, Kino?
Yes, nice. Definitely.
And my legs fit so good. Not slim legs, you know, that are straight.
But I like it because you know, I like that.
Yeah, they fit good in heels and everything.
Don't worry about your legs, you're perfect. Perfect.
Wow. I need to show.
Go on different bags.
Want a different bag? Okay, you can take one.
Kino, take a small shot for me.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.